Hi, I have a Nikon COOLPIX L840, and a little while ago the screen broke there at the bottom, so a broken bucket. So I purchased a replacement screen, and I'm going to attempt to repair this camera now. So I'm going to take all these bits and bobs off and get the new replacement screen on. This is my package, my new replacement screen. It came with these tools to help open the camera. You got a screwdriver, a couple of screwdrivers, precision one there, and two tools to pry open the screen. Got some wipes with that, wet and dry wipes. Got me some stickers, I think, just to put down the back. Here we have the replacement screen. As you can see, it's all silver and stuff, whereas the original one is black with the Nikon symbol logo on it. So we just put that there. Put those tools over there. What you need. Okay. Now, as I showed you, the screen's been cracked, so I think what we got to do, I haven't had a thing, I watched a little tutorial on YouTube, and it was pretty straightforward, it looked. So we're going to open up these 4 screws we have here, and I'll take these 2 off as well, just in case, I think, just to make sure that everything runs smoothly. So give me a second, I'll take those off. Okay, I've removed the 4 screws from around the edge, and I've taken these 2 out as well. Now I'm going to use this little pry tool. I also found that flipping the camera screen right over and flipping it like this, it was easy to take these screws out. Okay, so I'm going to I'm going to take this little piece out first using this pry tool. Okay, so we've got a bit of a ribbon going across, so you don't want to damage that at all. And give it a flip over. I'll use my pry tool, see if I can get this. Going further now, okay. So we can get this in the little space that we have there. That's it. Just carefully get that in there. To remove, oops, sorry. Just get it nicely open there. Okay. It's the other bit. Let's just place that over there in the box, because you don't want to lose any of those parts. And we have those screws that are really, really tiny. Now this bit just, once that's off, it looks like it just slips off. There we are. That bit just slips back there. If I turn this over now, and you can see the screen at the back. Okay, I'm just looking at this to see how to take this off, because I've never done this before. Okay, just had me a little trouble. My little rim around the edge been cracked. So once you take off the back panel, there is this little one at the front. It's just a little thing that holds the screen in. Mine's been cracked, so I had to carefully remove that. And then the screen is just simply pops off. So I'm going to go get myself some super glue and fix that, and in the meantime, and then I'll continue with replacing the screen. Just okay, stuck that bit on. Now we're going to be taking the broken screen out and replacing it with the new one. Okay, so we have this little ribbon here. It has a little clip right about there. You just pry that up. Take the ribbon out. It's just that simple. It's just a little clip that you lift up and take the ribbon out. And the screen, you just slip it out of there. Boom. So this is the one that's been broken. And I'm going to get the replacement one now, which we can see looks the same. Okay. So I'm going to take this one up, the replacement one, and stick some tape on this and put it back in. Okay, on the back of the replacement screen I have like this see-through tape. So we stick that up through there and get it in like so. And just fit the replacement screen in like that. And this tape should, you just press it lightly so it holds in there. Now, next thing to do would be to get this ribbon in there, get it in there nice and secure. It's in. It's a little fiddly. It's a little bit fiddly, but you get that. Alright. It is a bit fiddly, so I'm going to come. Okay. Here I've got it in now. Okay, it is a little bit fiddly, but once you line those contacts up with a ribbon and clip your little blacky thing down, it should be okay. I would recommend that once you clip this down, before you close it back up, you switch on, power up, make sure that you're getting what you need to be getting as far as your photographs and stuff goes on your screen. So as you can see, that's all lit up. Everything looks great there. I'm really impressed. The only thing is, for me, it's not Nikon, but hey ho, I can see. So switch that off, and let's get putting it back together. Now, what I thought to do was this little bit here, get that back where it belongs. Okay, and that's the back. And then we have that little thingy there. I just clip that off. I can pull that off in a minute once I'm done. Okay. And then we clip our screen front fascia on. It's a little bit fiddly because I'm trying to do both camera and. There we go. There we go. Clipped back on. And then this bit just fits right back there. It's that simple. Now what I'll do, and this is why I've turned it over, because it's so much easier for you to replace those screws. Try to keep those in one place as well, because these bad boys are really, really tiny, fiddly little things. So we get one in there. Replace these 4 screws. It's this screen. Whee! One more for there. This one. shots. Now, that's what my camera looks like now. Okay. But we've got photo. Brilliant. So, let's get these bad boys back in. This protective ribbon strip for this one. And that's it. That'll be it. Oh. Flippy trippy. Wrong way, silly. Here we are. Yep. And there we are, everything back together as it should be. Now off to shoot some pictures where you can actually see. Thank you, I hope this helps.